What's amazing about tardigrades is their toughness, their ability to survive in extreme environments. When encountering extreme environment, a tardigrade contains 85% water by weight, dehydrates to live. The first person to describe tardigrade is Johann August Ephraim Gubser, a German zoologist.
In 1920s, Gilbert Franz Ramm tested tardigrades' ability to survive in extreme temperature. The experiment began by heating them up to 150 degrees Celsius. Amazingly, the tardigrades came back to life again. The same incredible surviving ability also occurs when tardigrades are put in liquid helium at -272 degrees Celsius for 8 hours. This means that tardigrades can tolerate ice. They produce a chemical that makes ice crystals form not inside but outside their cells. This mechanism protects tardigrades' vital molecules from being damaged. From the experiment, scientists concluded that tardigrade could survive even in the coldest part of Earth, since the lowest temperature ever recorded here was -89.2 degrees Celsius.
Tardigrades are first known animal that can survive in the outer space. If we go into outer space without protection, we will die. The air in our lungs will rush out because of the lack of pressure. Our skin will be apart and inflate because dissolved gases in our body fluids will expand. Our eardrums and capillaries will rupture and our blood will boil. The ionizing radiation will rip apart our DNA and we would be unconscious in 15 seconds. But tardigrades can survive all of that conditions. On September 2007, thousands of dehydrated tardigrades were brought into space by a satellite named Photon M3. Groups of tardigrades were exposed to UV radiation and hard vacuum of outer space for 10 days. After the satellite had returned to Earth, the dehydrated tardigrades were brought back to life by rehydrating them. 68% of samples that were not exposed to UV radiations revived within 30 minutes following rehydration, but only 3 tardigrades of the samples that were exposed to vacuum and UV radiation could still alive. Some of the female tardigrades had even laid eggs in space and their kids were healthy.
So, from the evidences, it is clear now why tardigrade receives the title of the toughest animal in the world despite its small size. With its incredible mechanism, it is proven to be able to survive in places other animals are unable to, which is in environment with extreme temperature, pressure, and even in the outer space. Hopefully, in the future, scientists will discover even more.